Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black Sea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com, Crowcoin, talk about the ecosystem yet again, because there has been quite an uproar since my video, since yesterday. People are upset. We're going to talk about it a little bit. I also want to talk about Bitcoin, the overall market as a whole, where are we headed. Without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So yesterday I made a video about the Cronos ecosystem and how it's not good that basically inside the Cronos ecosystem a lot of different projects and meme coins are attacking one another, and that's really just not the look you want to be bringing new people into the ecosystem. It's going to push people out. Toxic communities are not going to provoke people to want to say, hey, let me see what's going on there. I want to stick around. This place is cool and fun. So I made a tweet today. My video last night was not about any specific community in the Cronos ecosystem, but based on some of the responses I received, you'd think the video was directed at specific communities within. It was absolutely incredible because I wasn't making a video about any specific communities, that there was apparently all this drama going on in these meme coins for Cronos, but what do you know? The comments I got on the video, people are upset, people are freaking out, but you know what? If the shoe fits, I wasn't talking about any meme coins. I wasn't alluding to any. I was just talking about the ecosystem as a whole and what I would like to see for the Cronos ecosystem to make Crowcoin move up in value. To see my Cronos, Crowcoin investment to appreciate, I was saying what I would like to see. And well, I started a fire, I guess, because a lot of people were upset. I'm not even going to name the meme coin communities because that's what happens when you are being toxic and starting things. I don't want to talk about them. I just want to talk about the ecosystem as a whole. Why would I do that? Why would I endorse or say I like a coin or a community if I don't like it? It's as simple as that. Guys, you need to be likable for people to want to step in and see what you're all about. And unfortunately, in the Cronos ecosystem, it's not looking that way right now. And sure, granted, we're seeing a sell-off in the market, a minimal sell-off. But the meme coins are getting hit pretty hard, and that makes emotions rise up, makes people upset, and well, people start getting grouchy. People want to start fights. People want to be toxic. I get it. But that being said, it just proves that Cronos is a much smaller ecosystem, and we need it to grow. And to see it grow, we need to see more of a appealing and fun market, a more appealing and fun space, so people want to join in on the fun. That's my 2 cents. So right now, Bitcoin is trading at $67,800, down about 0.96% of the day, chopping around, making its way to the downside. Bitcoin dominance raising up about 0.2%. Since yesterday, when you exclude stablecoins, we're basically trading at 54.7%, almost 55%. Like I said, up about 0.2% on the day. I expect this. I expect this sideways chop, but I will say there's some very, very intriguing things appearing in Bitcoin on the charts that allude to a very, very nice move to come, and we'll talk about that shortly. If you like this type of content, please go follow me on Instagram at 333BlackC. If I can reach 300 followers by the end of this weekend, I will give away $300 of Crowcoin, anything, any really crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, whatever you want. Give me 300 followers by the end of the weekend, and I'll give away $300 to one of you guys. So follow me there. So let's talk about Bitcoin. On the weekly, we are seeing the green dot. I've been talking about this for a while now, and we saw positive weekly candle closures giving us this curvature to the upside. Bitcoin has made the decision to make our way to the upside, but we need to see continuation. We need to see weekly candle closures above $67,000. And right now, we're looking pretty good. We're above 67K, but I want to see more weekly candle closures to see this move continue into next week. And in my opinion, following a green dot on MarketCypher on the weekly, below the 60, seeing the momentum wave starting to come up. If we see that weekly candle close above 68,000, we probably see this curve up and head our way to about $82,000, guys. Very, very good for Bitcoin and very, very good for the crypto space as a whole. Sure, when we do make that leg up, I do expect Bitcoin dominance to rally with it. altcoins to kind of just trade sideways. Maybe some will bounce, but in the short term, I do expect Bitcoin dominance to rally. But after we do make that move up to the upside, if Bitcoin decides to follow through with that closure above $67,000 on the weekly, which is in 3 days and 22 hours, then, in my opinion, I do expect Bitcoin to make that wave to the upside and trade sideways. Bitcoin dominance is going to come up. After it trades sideways, then you start to see these altcoins make some moves. Seeing a new all-time high on Bitcoin will probably cause a lot of hype and mania to come back to the market. Expect the meme coins to probably make some very, very big moves, especially right now. We're seeing all these celebrities come to Solana and other ecosystems. It's a little bit of a foreshadowing to see what's to come when we are really in this peak mania phase that will come. In my opinion, probably sooner than a lot of people expect. Crocoin right now coming all the way down, almost bouncing off of this support band right here. You know, guys, sideways price action. Been talking about this. Sideways price action. I expect this. I want to see this. I want to see the next leg up to about 20 cents on Bitcoin's next move. But I really do expect sideways price action, lots of chop until the later end of the bull market. That's when I expect Crocoin to make those really explosive moves to the upside. You need to be patient, guys, because in my opinion, when we do see Crocoin make those larger moves to the upside, it's probably a signal that it's towards the end of the bull market. You need to be prepared to zig and zag. You got to be careful. But that's, in my opinion, what I want to see and what I expect to see. If you like this type of content, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Also, check out some awesome referral links down below. We have a $4,100 sign-on bonus to Phemex. All you got to do is go below this video in the description box, click the link to Phemex, deposit, trade a little bit, get a bunch of free money. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.